Why you know they grow like quarter pikin?
I like as I dey eat food and suck breast anytime I cry.
Why you know they sleep for night?
Make dem no go carry my milk do giveaway.
I'll be showing you how to create AI images like this. First of all, I need you to go to your ChatGPT and then you type, say, okay, generate the image of a Nigerian lady of about 25 years old in a podcast setting. Aspect ratio 16:9. So you give it this prompt. So it's actually generating the image for you. So while you wait, you guys can actually go ahead. If you don't want Nigerian lady, if you want cartoon style, if you want Pixar style, like whatever you want, you can just go ahead and add the details for ChatGPT to actually give you that particular image. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just using a Nigerian lady of about 25 years old. Yeah. So if you want it to have more details, if you want to use animals, you can say generate image of a dog, a cat in a podcast setting. You understand? So it's not compulsory you use lady or this particular prompts that I am actually using. You can tweak yours, to make it more interesting and more fun. So while we wait, okay, let me just like pause this particular audio. Then okay, it's no need to pause, it's actually out already. So you can see this particular picture is actually out. Let us click on, you guys can see this is out already. So the next thing for you to do is to click on save. So one thing about this ChatGPT is that they don't usually make it that exactly 16:9. So I'm going to go to my InShot. Yeah, even though you choose 16:9, they won't fully give you that 16:9. So once I come to InShot, let me discuss this. Was one I did recently. I'll click on this, click on Canva, click on 16:9. Can you guys see that it's not fully 16:9, which is for our YouTube long form setting? So all I just need to do is just okay, let me try and change the background. Let me see if it will work. Okay, it won't work. I have to. Yeah, so I'm just trying to adjust it to make it fit. Yeah, let me see. Okay, let's just see. Okay, I think this is better. So I think I can leave it this way. Yeah, so after this is done, I'm just going to click on export. So, okay, so as you can see, saved, that has been exported. So the next thing for me to do now, head over back to ChatGPT. Yeah, so that has been saved. Now say, give me a short script of the lady giving morning motivation podcasts. So let's just send it. So you can actually give it a prompt again. Like I said, this one is just for tutorial purpose. Yeah. So if you want yours to not be motivation, whatever you want yours to be, just go ahead and prompt it. You can see this is it. Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode of your favorite. You can see. So this is actually quite short. So I just needed to just give me, let me tell you to give me in copy code. Let me say in copy code. So I just go ahead and just copy because I don't need all of the other information. So as you can see, this is the copy code. The copy code will actually give you the exact words. So you guys can go ahead to read all of this, but I don't want to read it just to save us time. So what I will now do now is to click on this copy code here. Then I'll come right here and go to 11 Labs. I know a lot of us actually know 11 Labs. So, okay, let me go to 11 Labs. Okay, click on it. So yeah, I'm going to be clicking on sign up. Actually, I have an account with them, so I think I'll just be logging in. But if you don't have an account with them, you can sign up. And also you can as well use your own voice, you understand, to get your own audio. But just to save us time, I don't want to be using my voice to record. Let's just click on instant speech. Yeah, so it's not compulsory you use 11 Labs. You can use your voice to record it. Yeah, if you want to use your voice. So this was the one I did before. So let me just clear all of this first and paste this one. So you can see this is the podcast. You can see good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode of your favorite morning. You can see. So after all of that is done, you see this part showing Olabisi. That's the voiceover I want to use. You can click on it to change. Like let's say you want to change. Maybe you don't want that one and you want to change. There are several other voices you can go ahead and check. Yeah, but for me, I'll just be going with this Olabisi one. So the next thing for you to do now is to now click on this part that says generate speech. So let's just wait for it to be generated. It won't take time at all.
Good morning, beautiful people.
Can you guys hear?
Welcome back to another episode of your favorite morning motivation podcast. I'm so excited you're here with me today. Today is a brand new opportunity.
Okay, so let me just pause this. Yeah, because so the next thing for me to do is to now click on download. So let's just wait. It is downloading. So once that is downloaded, let me go to my file. Let me save it so it will be easier for us. I'll just click on this part here. Click here to rename. And yeah, I'm going to be entering. What should I save it as? Podcast. Let me just use podcast. Podcast, yeah, to rename it. So once that has been done, then I'll come to this part here. You guys can go ahead, go to your Play Store to download Dream Face. Yes, you can head over to Play. Let me just go to so you guys can actually get to understand. It should not look like I'm actually rushed so fast. So let's just come to Play Store right here. All you just need to do, come here and therefore Dream Face. Dream Face. You can see it right here. So you can see I already have the app. So for you guys, if you don't have it, it will be telling you to install. Yeah, but I already have the app. So it even has an update. Maybe I'm going to be updating it later after this video. But for now, let's just click on open. So once it is opened, you see they have photo lip sync. If you want to use a photo, if you want video lip sync, whatever you want, you can see pet singers, animal singing, all those viral videos of animal singing. This is what they used to actually use to lip sync. They have so many of them. You guys can actually check this particular website out. You can see the one for kids. You can see fun play. You can see. And by the way, guys, this particular Dream Face, they have both free and paid version. So for the free version, you can generate up to 10 videos in a day. But for the paid version, you can generate more than 10 videos in a day. Do you understand? So guys, we're going to be using the photo lip sync here because we're actually using a photo. There's actually a way to which you can actually use video. That's if you're using a video. But because we're actually using a photo, let's just click on it. Maybe later on, I'll show you how to use the video. Yeah, so that video actually gets it to like move their hands, you understand? So click on this avatar. This was one I did some times ago. So on this avatar, just click on this image. This is the image I want to use. So once I click on the image, you click on confirm. So let's just wait for it. You can see it has been updated. And here you have to add scripts to continue. You click on it. So once you click on it, you can see they have type, search music or any content, you understand? But for we, because we already recorded, we don't want them to use it. So if you want them to use it, you just click on this type. So you just paste your script and then they generate their own voiceover. That's if you don't want to use 11 labs, you want to use them directly. But for me now, since I've done it, I'll just click on this import. You can choose from files. So let's just wait. You can just come right here. Let me now search. I think I save it as podcast, right? Podcast, you can see it. So I'll click on it. Yeah. So, because I'm using the short version.
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of your favorite morning motivation.
Let me pause this. So this is where the trick actually comes in. Because I'm actually using a free version, I can only generate for 30 seconds. So if I have a video that is more than 30 seconds, what I would do is I will split it. Like I can do 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Then you understand? Then I will join everything together. You guys actually understand? So for now, this particular audio is more than 30 seconds. You guys can see where it actually stopped. So once I generate this right now, I can still go ahead and generate the next 30 seconds, then the next 30 seconds. Then while I'm editing, maybe using my my editing apps, either using to edit your videos, then you go ahead and join everything together. Do you guys actually understand? If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section. So let's just click on this part that says confirm. Yeah, so because I'm using the free version. But if you're using the paid version, it can generate it for you at once. So for you to fully enjoy it, just you go ahead with the paid version. So now let's now play it and see. Let's click on animate. Yeah, so it's fixing everything for you. If you actually want this to be more fun, then you have to use the video to lip sync, you get, not a picture, because picture won't really give you all those gesture and all. Yeah, but let's just wait for it to see. It's actually going to lip sync and it's actually totally fine. It's almost done already, guys. So if you don't want to use the paid version, like I said, you can split it, just 30 seconds. Like now that I'm doing this 30 seconds, I can do it again, but just know that you can do it up to 10 videos in a day, one single day per email. Yes, with one email. So what some people actually do, which I'm not really encouraging. Some people have like more than one emails. So once they generate 10 per day with one email, they switch to the next
Good morning,
email.
beautiful people.
You can see.
Welcome back to another episode of your favorite morning motivation podcast. I'm so excited you're here with me today. Listen, today is a brand new opportunity. Yesterday might not have gone the way you wanted, but today you have a fresh start. Don't let yesterday's failures stop you from today's possibilities. Wake up with gratitude.
Okay, so guys, I had to post it. That's a post. I'm sorry, guys. I had to post it just to say something to you guys. Do you guys see the lip syncing? Like the words are actually matching our lips. Do you guys actually see that and notice that? So now let me continue.
Wake up with intention and tell yourself, I can do it. I will do it. Because the truth. Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of your favorite morning motivation podcast.
Okay, let me now pause it so I don't get to waste our time of re-listening to this. So the next thing for you to do now is to now click on download. So guys, because you're actually still using the free version, this particular stuff, this dream face is going to be showing, but there's a way to which you can actually cover it. Yes. So let's now click on this download. So you can see it has been saved to album. So now let's now go to CapCut. I use CapCut to edit my videos. So let's click on CapCut. This was the video I did. Let's click on done. So let's just click on the video, click on this. Okay, so what I used to do most of the time is I can come right here to put a sticker, maybe like a subscribe sticker or something, you understand? So it can be.
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome.
Let me see if I should use this. I don't know if it's to cover it. Let me see.
Good morning, beautiful people.
No, this is not. Let me use a much more better sticker. So let me see this. Just look for something, a sticker wide enough to cover this. You understand? Okay, I think this is actually wide enough to cover it. Then you drag it to the very end of the video. Sorry guys, I had to, do this very quickly. Okay, so the next thing for you to do, now let's play it and see if it actually makes sense.
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of your favorite morning motivation.
Okay, so I was actually getting a call, right? So sorry guys about the break in transmission. I got a call, so yeah, that was what happened. So you can see our video is all set. So the next thing for us to do now is to now export. So once you export this particular video, you can go ahead and upload it to your YouTube channel. Simple as ABC, without showing your face, without showing your camera, without having like some of us say, oh, I don't have a good camera, I want to start a faceless channel. And this particular videos like this is actually trending, trending all over YouTube. People are really cashing out big from videos like this. The only thing is that whenever you're uploading it, just choose, when you're uploading to YouTube, that altered content, just choose yes, because you're actually using an AI content. That's all. It has no negative effects. YouTube will not say, oh, because you choose yes, they will not push out your video. No, they will still push out your video same way they will push out your video if you are chosen no. So it has no negative effect on your channel. Just choose yes. Before I continue, guys, I need to let you know that I'm actually running a full AI course tutorial, which is A to Z, and you can actually turn AI videos, AI images into realistic images, without showing your face, without like full detailed, guys. I'm actually doing that. I'm running that particular course, and all you just need to do to register, check my email to actually send me a message. You can check my channel description, or I'll also be leaving it on the screen for you guys. Message me, guys, and get your course. Try and join. I did at least just 50 people here so that we can actually like do it all well, because when there are too many students, you might not be able to achieve a lot, but just 50 students is enough. I'm going to be doing A to Z, like everything you need to know about creating your channel. How to make it easy, the easy app to use, everything A to Z. And guess what, guys? It is just going for 1,000 naira only. Yes, not more than 1,000 naira. I try to make it at 1,000 naira so that it is affordable, guys. Yeah, I should have left it for free, but I believe that whatever people actually pay for, they actually value it more. So that's why I have to put it at 1,000 naira, guys. Yes. So I believe 1,000 naira is not too big for something that will actually generate you more income right in the future, right? Yeah, so if you're interested, do want to send me a message in my mail and get started, guys. I need just 50 people and we are good. Yes. All right, see you again in our next video. Do not forget to hit on the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And do not forget to share. See you again in our next video. Bye, guys.